Hello everyone. In today's video we're gonna see that how we can add text to any image so it looks perfectly blend with the image. For example, I want to write something on this floor. So first of all, I'm taking the text layer. I'm pressing text button and then I'm writing here whatever you want to write, you can write. So after that I'm pressing Ctrl plus T and then resizing it. After that, hit enter. Now what you have to do, press the control key and click on the text layer. This will make a selection around the text. After doing that, press Ctrl plus C. It will copy the text. Okay, after that, just hide the text layer. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect the selection. Click on the background layer and then add new layer. So after doing that, go to filter and click on vanishing point. So now you have to tell the Photoshop the perspective of the image. For example, I am using this style to do that. This, and this. So Photoshop will see that how the floor actually looks. So it actually takes the angle of the image. So now you can increase its size just like it. Okay. After doing so, press Ctrl plus V. Okay. And now move this text inside that box. So you can see, I guess this here is perfect. You can also resize the text here by pressing Ctrl plus T, resizing it. You can hold the Shift key to keep the ratio. Okay, I guess this is perfect now. So hit OK. So now you can see that the text we wanted to add is added, but it not looks realistic. For doing so, right click on the layer of the text and click on blending options. So after that, press the Alt key and move the slider to the right side. You can see that the background of the floor is blending with the text and it looks realistic. Okay, I guess this is fine. To make it a little bit more realistic, you can add a kind of blur with this. For doing so, go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. You can just add a little bit of blurriness on it. For example, I'm taking the 5 and hit enter. So now you can see that how beautifully the text is added in the image.